Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has huge implications for the future of energy and our planet. Europe is making a bold move, betting big on North Africa's clean energy potential, and I'm excited to break this down for you. So, why is Europe turning its attention to North Africa? Well, it's all about the green transition and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Europe has already been investing in Morocco and Egypt, recognizing their favorable climate conditions for renewable energy production. And now, they're taking it to the next level with a massive investment plan. The European Commission has pledged a whopping $5.8 billion for renewable energy projects in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, region. But here's the kicker, they're not just throwing money at it. They have a brilliant strategy. They plan to harness the power of the Sahara Desert and the Mediterranean shores by installing solar panels and wind turbines. Imagine that. Clean energy generated in these optimal conditions will be transmitted to Europe's grid via underwater high-voltage lines. Now, this isn't just about Europe's energy needs. It's a win-win situation. Europe gets cleaner, more affordable energy, and North Africa gets a boost in its renewable energy industry and job creation. The EC estimates that MENA has an incredible 2,300 gigawatts of renewable energy potential, which is more than twice what the EU currently has. And the best part? Solar and wind power can be produced at a much lower cost than in Europe. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This initiative is expected to attract private investment worth up to $29 billion by 2035. That's a massive vote of confidence in the region's renewable energy potential. And the EC is not stopping there. They're encouraging governments and investors to jump on board by simplifying processes and strengthening regulatory frameworks. Dan Jorgensen, the European Commissioner for Energy and Housing, has emphasized the urgency of this move. With ongoing geopolitical challenges and rising fuel prices, investing in green energy is a no-brainer. He believes that Europe's energy security should be based on clean, electrified systems, and I couldn't agree more. This initiative is just the latest in a series of clean energy investments by Europe in North Africa. Remember the Noor Ouarzazate solar power complex in Morocco? That was a €106.5 million investment by the EU and the European Investment Bank. And let's not forget about the proposed Sila Atlantik project, which aims to connect Morocco and Germany with an intercontinental power link. Although it's facing some challenges, it's an ambitious idea. The TMED initiative is a game-changer. It's expected to boost renewable energy capacity in MENA, encourage private investment, and strengthen energy security across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. It's a brilliant plan with far-reaching implications. So, what's my take on all this? Personally, I think this is a brilliant strategy. Europe is leading the way in diversifying its energy sources and reducing its carbon footprint. By investing in North Africa's clean energy potential, they're not only securing their energy future but also empowering a region with immense renewable energy resources. It's a win for the environment, for energy security, and for economic growth. I hope this initiative inspires other regions to follow suit and invest in sustainable energy solutions. The world needs more of these bold moves if we're going to combat climate change effectively. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Europe's clean energy bet. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.